Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X3 air filter. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. Gather your new air filter and basic tools like a screwdriver or a socket set, depending on your specific X3 model. Locate the air filter housing, typically a large black box, in the engine bay. This preparation makes the process smooth and safe. Now, let's access the filter. You'll need to unclip or unscrew the air filter housing cover. Some models may have 5 clips, while others use screws, often T25 Torx fasteners. If there are any sensors or hoses connected to the housing, gently disconnect them. Pay attention to how the old filter is seated. This will help with the new installation. With the housing open, carefully remove the old, dirty air filter. Before installing the new one, take a moment to clean any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the air filter box. This prevents immediate contamination of your new filter. Now, insert the new air filter, making sure it fits tightly and is oriented correctly, often with a foam seal at the top. Finally, reassemble the air filter housing. Secure the cover by pressing the clips back into place or tightening the screws. Reconnect any sensors or hoses you detached earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Close your hood, then start your BMW X3 to confirm everything is operating correctly. This simple maintenance helps your engine breathe better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.